Hello Taurus, how are you? This is your weekly reading for the week of 10 to 16th August, career, business and money Taurus. So this is based on your sun sign, moon and Venus rising. You can check your other signs, it could resonate with you. You could check your moon sign, your Venus rising, so also your sun sign. So we'll take whatever resonates here. So let's see Taurus, what we have in the career, business, money reading here for some of you Taurus here. So this is a good shuffle. Okay, one card popped out. Six of Cups in reverse. I feel with this it shows that there might be some conflict with an old associate, old partnership. There could be some. It's not for all of you, for whoever resonates. There could be a little conflicting situations. So you need to be careful. There could be quarrels, or there could be conflicting situations. There could be disagreements within your old associates. That is what I feel, or with friends who are actually maybe your partners, or with there could be friends and partners, so the same business and pleasure kind of. So that could go wrong in this case. What I feel, there could be definitely there is some issues which you need to sort it out at the earliest, so that the matter doesn't get bigger. Let me also see what's in this card here, the next card. Yeah, so it could Ace of Pentacles, so it could be regarding a money situation. It will not be a big issue. That is what I feel. It could be a small issue regarding some money situations, because we get Page of Pentacles. Maybe the papers and other things which needed to be done, there wasn't enough work done, and this conflict has come from there, so it wasn't done. Maybe it could be a younger person with whom you can have a conflict. This is what I feel here. Let's check with other. But I think circumstances will compel you to deal with early issues, and it could be talking also. Ace of Pentacles could also be talking about a message regarding a money situation coming to you. That's a positive message. Now let's see. Queen of Rods and Queen of Rods and Two of Rods. So here I feel that you have actually become more caring a person here for your people you work with, and you really care for them. You're taking care of their emotional needs, all other needs that is required. Also it shows that you have calmed down, you are nurturing, caring, and with this energy also I feel that you have Two of Rods here. There is a situation for which you are waiting here. What I feel, you're waiting for some information, some messages to come across to you regarding a money situation, or some of you have given interview and you're waiting for the results, Taurus, this week. It is a waiting situation, or you are just looking around to expand things. This is what I feel, that expansion. It could be that there could be a lady. There could be a lady in your life, or it could be your boss whom you report to. There could be somebody who would help you in the expansion. This is what, there could be somebody, or even if it's not a lady, it could be a person who has this energy, who they care about you, they think about you, they want good about you, and they are going to help you in your expansion, Taurus. This is what I get with these cards. But definitely there is waiting. You could also travel, and this could be a very influential person also whom you could be communicating with. So this is what I feel, Taurus, for you here. Now let's see. Okay, Nine of Rods and okay, Four of Swords reverse I get, and the Nine of Rods. So you are letting your guard down now. Maybe you were very guarded, Taurus. You are coming out in action now. This is your action mode. You have started. Actually, now you know that it's no more thinking time and just waiting for things to happen or assessing situations. You will take action after this. Once you are gone, you see this. It's an action time for you. And the rest has gone, the thinking process has gone. You are going, initially Taurians having a tough time. Most of the Taurians that I see reading having tough time, so they're really guarded. Now you will unguard yourself. You will be ready to face the situation, and this will be your action time, Taurus. So it's high time. You could be, what I feel here, there could be rental, insurance, taxations with this Pentacle card. I feel reality. Reality, things to be taken care of, all related to property issues, farming. All these are the aspects that you are going to take this week. Also, I feel that some in your family or somebody will be sick, and there will be a maybe you will have to, lot of money or resources will be required for this reason. They could also drain you with visits in hospitalization and other things. This is what I again get with this card here, Taurus. So let us see what the angel guidance have for you, Taurus, this week. So just be careful. You also need to take care of your own health, because this card, not only it could be a family member, what I feel, or an extended family, somebody in the hospital. This is what I get in my idea. But you need to take rest, and also you need to take care of yourself and take action, Taurus. This is what I feel. Of course, there is traveling for some of you here. Okay, this card popped out. So gratitude. Be grateful for all you have. So Taurus, this is the angel messages here. Be great. Don't. Sometimes it tends. It is having that when you go through difficult times, we get frustrated. All of us get. So at the time, we need to remember gratitude. Be thankful for what you have. This is the angel message for you for this week, which will help you sail the week smoothly. So follow it, this, and definitely your week will be much better, and the way you have hoped. So thank you. This is it for this week, and see you in the next reading, Taurus. All the best. Thank you everyone for taking your time out and watching the video, and a big thank you and so much of love to all viewers and subscribers again. Thank you so much. Take care.